Well, it's the true essence of our value proposition. We are a technical selling outfit, and without these application labs, we can't solve the customer problems. We can't bring sustainable solutions to the customer. So we have to have these labs. They back up, they support our technical sales folks, and we think it's a major piece of our value prop.
Opening of this lab really illustrates Azelis' commitment to further growth. We continue to invest, and we continue to find ways to be better, more efficient, and to support our customers and our suppliers in their growth aspirations.
Working together, we can really come up with solutions that a customer or a supplier really can't find or struggles to find on their own. So formulator to formulator interaction helps us find solutions that are new and unique in the marketplace and gets us to a better end solution for the customer.
Yeah, the real advantage of upgrading the labs is our industry is continually advancing. The personal care and home care spaces are always looking for brand new innovation, and they're looking for us to help provide them and guide our customers to what consumers are looking for these days. So our labs are well positioned where we are geographically, and also state-of-the-art technology inside the labs to help our customers continue to grow, innovate, and win in the marketplace.
So we wanted it to be convenient for our principals and our customers to actually come and work with us in the lab. If it's with our principals, it'll help us integrate their materials in the formulations that we're working on. And if it's with our customers, it really helps us direct our efforts towards those specific needs that they have.
We are excited that our lab here in New Jersey is open, and we look forward to welcoming you to our space. This is really more of a collaboration space within Azelis, so we have labs for personal care, home care, and industrial cleaning, along with lubricants and metal working fluids, with additional space for us to grow and improve and enhance our capabilities.
What makes Azelis different is the people that we have working both in commercial roles but also in these labs. The chemists that we have working here really have unique backgrounds and the ability to work to bridge together the needs of our suppliers and our customers. And I think that's what we're most proud of, is the culture that we have around innovation throughout the whole company.
The biggest difference, I think, also is our supplier profile. Right? So the principals we do business with, the principals are blue chip principals. And we don't have 3,000. Right? We've got about 30, 35 in the Americas that make up about 70% of our business. So we're not diluted. We're focused on specific principals. A lot of them are here today, and we have close relationships with them.
Yeah, this is an incredible space. We are so excited to really show the market that this is our investment. Innovation through formulation is what we do, and this lab really broadcasts that for us.
We're here to help you formulate, to help you win in the marketplace. We want you to come visit our laboratories and work with us and develop great solutions together so we can win in the market together.